Good morning, ma'am.
Date also 18th of January and money. Though you have a basic concept on money, you have learned this in class 2, 3, yes? Just I'm asking you one question. Do you know? Basically, money, we can denote it either by rupee or by paise. Yes, so for 1 rupee, single thing, we can write RE dot. And for suppose rupees, 5 rupees, when it will be plural, then RS dot. But in both the case, we can use this rupee sign, okay? Currency of our country. Achha. Now this one is rupee sign for singular, plural, it doesn't matter. We can use this sign, rupee. And for paise, we can write this, only P for paise, okay? Understood? Shake your head if yes. Sharanya, sit properly, okay. Now look, suppose I am giving you 1 rupee. That means how many paise do you know? It is already done in class 1, 2, 3. Say, Eliza? Okay, good. 100 paise. Now today I will make you learn the conversion. How to convert from rupee to paise and paise to rupee. Okay? Look, for 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So, suppose in place of 1, I am taking 2. 2 rupees is equal to how many paise? It will be just 200. How do you get this 2 into 100 paise? That means 200 paise. Understood? Suppose 7 rupee. Then 7 multiplied by 100 paise. That means 700 paise. This one clear though? Suppose I am telling you 18 rupees. Then say this 18 multiplied by 100 paise. Yes, though. Then 1800 paise or 1800 paise. Yes. This one is clear to everybody. Sharanya, Shirin, Sushnata, Deeptasi, Parijat, Noras, understood? Okay. Now look at this. Okay. Now all of you just note down this one. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Acha, now the next thing. So basically, what is the common concept? That is, if we want to convert from rupees to paise, we will have to multiply by 100. Yes? Notice, when we are going to convert from rupees to paise, we will multiply by 100. Yes, Tom? So note down this one. From rupee to paise. That means into 100, multiply by 100. Okay, this one clear? But when from paise to rupees, then we'll have to divide. Look, now write this one. From paise to rupees, you can write RUP double, okay, double ES, or you can just put this sign. From paise to rupees, okay, then we will have to divide by 100. Divide by 100. Divide by 100. This one means multiplied by 100. This one means divide by 100. Understood? Now I am showing you some questions. Then it will be very much clear to you. All of you note down this point. Sheikh Irfan, one thing I am telling you. Some students are in the class, but they are not sitting properly. They are not doing, I don't know, they are doing the class properly or not. If this one is going on, then I am not going to give the attendance. Okay. Just right now, like Sheikh Irfan, sit properly because I cannot see you. I can see you, your only your fan. Okay. I am not here to see your fan, wall, AC, this type of thing. Okay. I want to see your face. What you are doing, I want to see that. Okay. So put the camera properly. Achha, okay, this one done. Everybody completed this thing. Kaushali, Shampriti, Irfan, Sulagna done to. Anjum, Trisha, Vahia, Shubhangi done to. Okay, good. Achha, Bonusri. Okay, Ishika, Muhammad Nahid, Rajpreet, ha, good. Okay. Now I am going to solve it practically. Look, let me take a question. Rupees 29.1 is equal to how much paise? Be careful, huh? Look at this carefully. Achha, already one decimal point is present over there. Achha, when we are going to convert into paise, that means we have to multiply by 100. So what to write? Rupees 29.1 is equal to 29.1. This one multiplied by 100. Yes? Yes or no? Shake your head. Rajpreet, Bonasri. Acha. Now look. How many zeros are there? 2. So decimal point will move 2 place after as it is multiplied. Yes, so Ishika, Shushnata, Farzana. Okay. So look at this. What will be? 29 will be as it is. Now this point will move 2 place after. Already 1 is there. But we can say take only 1 too. After decimal only 1 digit. So another we will have to put 0. Is the concept clear? Muhammad Sahim, Muhammad Nahid, Shoykot, Farzana. Is this concept clear? Deboshmita, Farhan Malik, Sifata, Kanubhav. Understood or not? Okay. Acha. Suppose the next one, number 2. Rupees 12.50 is equal to. We will just write 12.50 into multiplied by 100. When you will write multiplied by 100, then put paisa. Here there is no space. That's why I am not written. Let me write over there. Huh? Paisa. Okay, I am writing over there. When you will multiply by 100, then automatically we will have to put this paisa sign. Now look. Acha, how many zeros are there? 2 though. And after decimal, here how many digits? 2. So decimal point will move 2 place after 1 and the next one. So it will be automatically removed. The answer will be this one. Yes or no? This one is clear to everyone. Enakshi, Shifat, Shayon, Shoykot. Acha, Muhammad Nahid, Bonusri understood the better? No, look at this. Look, how many zeros are there in 100? 2? 2. So that's why this decimal point will move 2 place to the right. Understood? Now 2 place move means, look, already the 2 digits are there, 5 and 0 itself. So just decimal point will be at last here, yes or no? But when the decimal point will be at last, then no need to put this. If we don't put, it will be correct. Just put 1250 paise. Understood? Because the decimal point is at the last two. Then no need to put it. Now it is clear. But in case of look 29.1, here this decimal point, after decimal point in the right, only one digit is there now. One, only one. There is no other digit. So that's why we will have to make this 2. We will have to put a 0. Now it is clear though, the concept. Okay, good. Anjum, Trisha, Shubhangi. Okay, I am giving you more example, then it will be very much clear to you. This one completed. Oishani, Obhipsha, Shirin, Paushali not completed. Okay, I am waiting. Sampriti, Shulagna, Sheikh Irfan. Understood? Okay, good. Now I am writing the next one. Okay. Paushali, write first. Okay, done. Achha, now I am going to clear it. Before that, let me confirm. Noras, Deeptashi, Ankita, and Ashmit. Done to? Achha, Oishani, Obhipsha, Sharanya, Raiza, Parijat. Okay, I am clear. I'm going to clear. Okay, I'm clearing this. Now look, the third one. Achha, rupees 13.80. Look at this very carefully. Okay, Anjum, look at this. What is given in the question? Write the whole thing, but don't put rupee sign right now because we are going to convert it into paise. Look, this into multiply by 100 paise. I told you 100. Now, Anjum, look at this. How many zeros are there? Oishani, how many zeros are there? In 102. So, this point will move 2 place to the right side. Okay. Now, look. Already one place is this 8. Another place is this 0. Yes. Obhipsha. Parijat. Okay. So, it will be 13. Then 8 and 0 because decimal point already came here too. Yes, though. It has already came here. Moved. Yes or no? Shake your head. Oishani, understood? Acha, okay. Now, Noras, look at this. Acha, when this decimal point will be moved, then this 100 will automatically get removed. No need to put the 100. Acha, as the decimal point is at last, so no need to put it again also. So it will just be 1380 paise. This 100 will automatically get removed as we are moving the points. Is it clear? Everybody, Ankita, Ashmit, Shushnata, Shirin, Swarnakshi is there. Afrina, Ashia. Afrina, okay, good. Farzana, Shushnata, understood too? Okay, good. Farzana, I am coming. Have you understood this one? Yes or no? Shake your head. Okay, then if any other problem, I am coming. Just wait. Acha, now look at this. The next one, fourth one, right? Rupees 5.639. Be careful, huh? 5.639 into 100. Yes or no? Into 100. Okay. Farzana, Afrina, yes, Tom. Okay, Farzana, after that, look. How many zeros are there? How many zeros are there? 2. So this decimal point will move 2 place to the right. Yes? Yes. So it will come here. Look, after 3 na, in between 3 and 9, 3 और 9 के बीच में आएगा. Yes or no? Enakshi, Farzana. Okay, now look. 563 0.9. अच्छा, here this point is not at the last. ये point एकदम last में नहीं है ना. So this point will not be removed. It will be here. This paise. Understood or not? Is it clear? Just point will move two places. One 6, another 3. Is it clear to everybody? Shirin? Okay, Ashia, Sheikh Shahil Jamal, Paushali and Trisha. Deepta se? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Shampriti, Shulagna, Shuvangi, Bonusri, Trisha, Anjum. I think Anjum, now this is clear. Yes, no? Okay. Acha, those who are not turning on the camera, Muhammad Sahim, okay, now I can see you. Shrestha, Enakshi, Farhan Malik, understood? Okay, good. Wajid Rahman, Shomodeep Gorui, Shornakshi, Vahia, Maushim, Shomdatta, Azjadur, understood? Okay. Acha, those who are not turning on the camera, they will be marked as absentee. I will mark them absent. If you are not turning on the camera, this thing first. Second one, suppose you are in the class, but I cannot see you properly. I cannot see you, but you are in the class. Then also I am not going to mark you present, okay? Shaud, Sheikh Arhan, Ananya, Ishika, Pratibha. These few students, keep your camera on. Pratibha, Ananya, Anushka, Sheikh Arhan. Okay, now the fifth one. Rupees 12.37 is equal to how many paise? Just 12.37 into 100 paise. Then it will be this paise. Complete this one. Everybody complete this one. Pratibha, keep your camera on. Keep your camera on. It means 12 rupees. Okay, before decimal point, what is present? That is known as rupees. And after decimal, which is present, that will be known as paise. That means it is 12 rupees. Okay, and 53 paise. 53 paise. Is it clear? I am again explaining. Suppose it is written 21.78. That means how much rupee? 21 rupee and 78 paise. Understood? Is it clear? Shubhangi, Shulagna, Anjum, Paushali, Trisha, Muhammad Nahid, Shoykot. Trisha, understood too? Acha, okay. So now look at this. Look, it is given 43.223. So it is rupees, 43 rupees, or you can write rupees 43 and paise how much? 23 paise, or you can write paise 23. Is it clear to everybody? So this one you can do yourself. Now everybody do it. Suppose look at this. This one I am going to solve. Look. Rupees 16 and paise 23. That means it will be 16 rupees point 23. Understood? Yes or no? Now this one. Rupees 7 paise 60. Now this one. Rupees 15 rupees and how many paise? 90. That means 90. Now the fourth one. Rupees 70 paise 80. That means 80. Next the last one. Rupees 50 paise 55. Do this one first. Mohammad Sahim, Shifatak, Shrestha, Shayon. Done. Moshim, Noraz, Farhan Malik. Wahia, Inakshi, Deboshmita, Azjadur. Wajid, Nusaiba, Sheikh Arhan, Somdatta. Nusaiba, why have you joined it late? Nusaiba, why have you joined late? Anubhav, Shonakshi, Prativa, Shaud, Anushka, Rajpreet, Ananya. Continuously you are turning off your camera. Just keep it on. Keep your camera on, these few students. Otherwise, you will not get your attendance. Huh? Okay, now the next one. Number 1 done to all the student. Okay, I am waiting for few minutes. After that, I will check your copy.